YouTube channel. It's your girl Hoza, and I'm back in a new video. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this one. Today we're gonna go old school, like way back, the videos that I used to do, you know, like telling you guys about life. Today we're gonna talk about these men, okay? And I'm thinking about doing this video in French as well, or a similar video. So if you see me looking down, I'll be checking out my notes because I want to give it to you guys, okay? I want to give it to you as it is. To all my girls out here, okay? So as you can see by the title, today we're going to talk about these men. What you should know before dating them. You know, how to get to them. You know, have to know tricks and whatever to make you perfect for them. You know, nobody's perfect, but you know how to win the game when it comes to Rwandese men. Yeah! Okay. Let me know if I forget something. My Rwandese girls, my Rwandese sisters, let me know in the comments if I forget something. Or also, my brothers, let me know what you like, okay? Maybe I forget something, okay? These are things that you have to know before dating them. That way you don't waste time, okay? Or that way you get ready, you prepare yourself, okay? Number one, if you want him to love you, sis, listen to me. Make him chase you, okay? Even though you see him first, like you notice him first and you want him to notice you, I don't know, try whatever, but don't look like you are the one chasing him. Because, listen, after like a couple of years or a couple of months when you are arguing or stuff, he's gonna be like, anyway, you are the one who chased after boys. Like, you are the one who chased me. Like, you are the one who ran after me. Like, I didn't want you in the first place. And that hurts, okay? So have some eye contact, like smile or whatever. Do your thing, girl, but don't look like you the one chasing him. Oh, it's so ugly. When it gets ugly, it becomes uglier. That way, when it comes to arguing, you know, you'll be like, you know, like, what did you even, you know, like, ask me out if you knew that I wasn't perfect for you? So why did you even run after me, you know, like, bruh, you know? So you had to make him chase you. That way he will, you know, have that value for you. He will know that he ran after you. He will know that he chased you. Like, you know what I mean? Even though we are in 2020, some things stay classic. Dating is about boy meets girl, like Steve Harvey say. It's all about that. It's always two people that meet each other. So for a man, he has to chase you. That's the number one thing. That's the number one thing. Otherwise, he won't love you, sis. He won't love you as much as he should, okay? Number two, they like to be the man. Some people say that all men are the same. I don't agree. All men are not the same, but also all men are not the same. So men are not the same. So you find some similarities between them here and there. So one thing that they have in common, a lot of men, almost all men, I can be sure they want to feel like they are the man. They want to be the man, okay? In the house, whatever. They want to feel like they're the man. Okay, so give them that. Give them that because, honey, they like that, okay? Rwandese men like that, okay? For instance, let him handle some business, okay? Like, we know we can do everything. We can do whatever they do. But sometimes, leave some things so that they can feel like they are useful, you know? Like, sometimes I'm like, I can't reach there. Can you reach there for me? Can you go down, do something for me? Or something, leave something so they can help you. They have to feel like they're doing something in your life, you know? You know what I mean? So don't do everything. I am independent, honey, and you might be independent, but sometimes they want to feel that they are helping you out. So leave some stuff so that they feel useful, you know? Appreciate them if they do something special or whatever they do. If he opens the door for you, say thank you or give him a kiss. Show them that you appreciate their love and, you know, how that they are the man, whatever, okay? Otherwise, that won't last for long. And when you do so, you get it back. I promise you. Girls, don't wait to be treated like queens if you don't treat your man like a king. Okay, so you have to treat your man like a king before he treats you like a queen. That's the way it is, okay? In life, it's about giving and receiving sometimes, even in love. Okay, nothing is for free. You have to understand that. So treat him like a king and you'll be treated like a queen. As simple as that. Number 3, men tend to listen a lot about what society says. So make sure his mama, his sisters, his brothers, his friends love you. Make sure he's trapped. Make sure everybody, his entourage, make sure everybody around him approves of you. Make sure that is the case. In Rwandan culture, like, make sure he's like, oh my God, my mom really likes you. Oh my God, my sisters really like you, they miss you. Are you planning to go see them, or can they see you, or things like that. That way he is like, oh my God, this girl is really loved in my family, like she is a keeper, you know. Even if tomorrow he tries to bring some other girls, he will know, or his mama will be like, I like the other one better, you know. So that's what it is. Okay, make sure you are friendly to his family, to his uncles, to make sure you are appreciated, you know, like that is the key. That way he is trapped in that love, he is trapped in that relationship, honey. That way he's not going anywhere and you are not going anywhere. By the way, let me know what you think about this look, because it's from my girl. She has a page on Instagram called On Flick Here. So I will leave her link to her Instagram in the bio. You can go ahead and order whatever you want, okay? If you are in France, of course, or in Europe, go ahead and check her out, okay? Let me know in the comments if you like it. I wanted to try something different, so. Okay, number 4. You have to know that you can't change him. You can't change a man. You have to know that. But you can like teach him stuff. You can make him your man. You know what I'm saying? Like, there are things that you won't change. Like some habits that he has, or some crazy things that he does, things that you don't like, or whatever. You can't change him. But you can teach him in a good way. I love my man Steve Harvey when he tells us ladies how to treat a man. You know, you have to tell him, like, if you do this, I'll give you this. Or, you know what, babe, I like this. You know, things like that. You have to make him, you can't change him. You have to know that in your head. You can't change a man. He can change himself, that's for sure. Like if he decides to stop hanging out with this group of people because they're a bad influence on your relationship, okay. But he has to make that decision himself. You can't change somebody. If you don't like somebody who smokes in the house, I don't know, let him know. Just talk about it, you know. Like let him know that if you don't smoke in the house, or if you clean the table for once, or if you don't put your clothes anywhere, something nice will happen to you tonight. You know that way. You know, like trick him. You know, you have to know how to talk to him. You know, that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So last but not least, let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you. This is what you have to know about Rwandese men. They are very active and very sexual and very emotional. You might be surprised, but you have to find that into them. You have to be the one finding that into them. Let me tell you something. I think I'll be speaking for a lot of people in the Rwandese culture. We don't see our parents hugging and being, you know, like cuddling and stuff. We don't see that in the Rwandese culture. But they have it in them. They have it in them. And I wanted somebody romantic. I wanted somebody, you know, and I was like, do Rwandese men do that? No, I don't think so, but they do. So you have to go in that relationship and, you know, be open to show what you like, and they will come out, because he won't act like a baby if you don't act like a baby. If you show him that he can be a baby around you, he can be the one who wants to be cuddled, he's the one who wants kisses every 5 minutes. If you don't show him that you want that, or that you can give that to him, he won't show that he can do that, or that he can, you know what I mean? So if you want something for him, do it for him. That way he will say, okay, she's that type of girl. Me too, actually. I feel nice about this stuff. So let's do it. Do you understand what I mean? So they might not seem like they are the romantic kind of person or whatever, but they are. But you have to open up and show them that you are one as well. So without further ado, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if I forget something. Boys and girls, let me know in the comments, and let me know if you have ever experienced the things that I just said, if I'm right or if I'm wrong. But there are a lot of things that you should know about somebody before dating them, but that's also in general. People are different, okay? You never know. But hey, that's it for me for today. I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, of course. I love you so much. Take care. Mwah. Love y'all. Bye.